So this is a PSA to anyone out there that is looking to build their own app or their own SaaS online. I have just one tip for you. I've been doing this for 7 years now. No, I am not making $1 million at all, but I do have an app that has over 40,000 users, 7,000 monthly active users. We've been on the App Store multiple times, featured on the App Store multiple times, and on big time YouTube channels, and we are making a good amount of cash each month. So I know you're thinking big picture here and you want to build the biggest app possible, raise them, as many funds as you can, but I want you to, put on the brakes with that for a second. So I want you to think of an app idea or something or a problem that you're going to solve with this app. And this problem is something you face every day. So why is that important? Because it's a problem you face every day, which means you're building an app that you're going to use. And if you're going to use it, you can quickly figure out problems with the app. You can quickly see if this is actually fixing the solution to your problem. This is what I did with the app I was just telling you about that I run. It's called OneTap, and it's an app that I use every day, at least 4 to 5 times. And it allows you to copy and paste things using shortcuts that you create inside OneTap right from your keyboard, right? So I'm constantly copy and pasting the links to OneTap to download instead of manually doing it, right? And so I use that, right? And now what I'm doing this year is building additional apps that I'm going to use every day. So I built a expense app, simple, minimal expense app called Pocket. I launched that 2 weeks ago. We have about 250 users, and it's something I use every day to track my expenses. And then I just launched a gift list app called Wisp, and that launched yesterday in the App Store. And that allows me to save gifts that I want to buy myself or want others to buy myself. So when the holiday season comes around, I can just share that list with others, with my family members, whoever it may be, and they know what gifts they can get me. And then I'm happy because I get the gifts that I want as well. So as you can see, I built 3 apps now that I use and am going to continue to use. And that is so important because you need to continue to improve the product as much as possible. And you need to provide the best experience as possible because there's so much competition out there. You need to figure out ways to stand out. So please, if you're looking to build a new app or you're trying to go down this entrepreneur journey and build your own product, think simple first and think about something that you're going to use every single day.